Hello guys, Kevin Auto Insider here. So today I want us to learn few things about fuel pump. So here what we'll be doing, we'll be cleaning this fuel pump. So I'll be dismantling it together, and that's how I'm easy to remove the socket and do it very careful, professionally, right? So I'm going to pour the petrol so I don't get wastage of fuel. Then I'm going to clean it through the bench. So we'll be working on this bench. That's how we clean. Look how dirty it was. Yeah, so you should be very careful when you are cleaning your fuel pump. Do it regularly to avoid storing. Okay, that's how we clean, to see how dirty they had. Then remember to be very careful when you are doing this, so that you don't mess up with the seal. You have a seal here, I'm going to show you. Yeah, that's how we do it. Now we return back to the fuel tank. Carefully we attach it. Then we are going to return as it was after cleaning. Remember, you should do it maybe after 20,000 kilometers or 40,000 average. Yeah, that's how we do it. Thank you.